These super healthy foods must included in your 2019 diet plan. Eating some healthy foods daily does not mean you have to go out of the box. Some readily available foods are also extremely nutritious and can do wonders for your health. Have a look at the diet plan of 2019. Eating healthy and nutritious foods is extremely important in all walks of life. Your diet plays an important role in shaping your body. It can help you stay healthier and fit, and most importantly protect you from numerous illnesses. Eating some healthy foods daily does not mean you have to go out of the box. Some readily available foods are also extremely nutritious and can do wonders for your health. Nutritious foods like fresh and organic produce are packed with essential nutrients and should be on top of your grocery carts. 1. Eggs. One of the most readily available food, eggs can easily be incorporated into a balanced diet. Extremely nutritious and versatile, they can be added to many meals. They are rich in proteins and contain many other vitamins, like B2 and B12, which are essential for energy and red blood cells. Even the yolk of the egg contains many nutrients. It contains healthy fats and cholesterol. Therefore, eggs are super healthy and must be a part of your diet. 3. Lentils. Loaded with proteins, lentils are again inexpensive and versatile. Along with proteins, they also contain dietary fiber and folate. Lentils like beans, kidney beans, and chickpeas can be easily incorporated into your diet. Lentils along with rice make a wholesome meal packed with essential nutrients. 4. Fruits. Nothing can beat the nutrient composition of fresh fruits. Most fruits are naturally low in fat, sodium, and calories. Also, no fruit has cholesterol. Fruits contain many essential nutrients including potassium, dietary fiber, vitamin C, and folate, folic acid. Rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, fruits help you keep full for longer, thereby helping in losing weight. Eating plenty of nuts every day can reduce your risk of diseases and boost your immunity. You can eat grains in the breakfast, make a fresh fruit juice or add it into your smoothies. 5. Vegetables. We all have heard time and again that plants offer numerous health benefits. Vegetables are likely to have a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Loaded with vital nutrients, powerful antioxidants, and fiber, vegetables should be included in your daily diet. Vegetables contain essential vitamins including folate, vitamin A, K, and vitamin B6, as well as carotenoids like beta-carotene. Vegetables contain essential nutrients vital for health and maintenance of your body. Rich in fiber, they also help in weight loss as they promote fullness. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.